Hey everybody, in today's lesson I'm going to show you how to play Negative Creep by Nirvana, and this is on the Bleach record. And before we get into it, remember to like this video and subscribe. I'll be posting new videos every week, and here we go. Alright, so one of the things that gives this song an interesting tone is that it is in drop D tuning. So what drop D tuning basically means is if your guitar's tuned normal and standard, E, A, D, G, B, E, the only change you're going to make is you're going to make the low E string, you're going to drop it down to a D. So it's called drop D tuning. And so what you can do is if you have a tuner, which you should, you can just tune the low E to a D, or if you're pretty confident with your ability to hear the pitch, what you can do is you can put your finger on the 7th fret of the low E string, and just drop it down until it matches the tone of the A string. What's cool about drop D tuning is that you can bridge your finger and play power chords. So the first part, basically, there's going to be like some feedback. So if you want to play it exactly the way they play on the record, you can like strum your guitar, turn the volume down, let your guitar build some feedback. And then just slowly turn the volume up, and then it's... So you're basically just playing the opening with palm muting, and then you're going to slide up to the 12th fret, the first one, and then you're going to slide down the second one. If you want to do like a more dramatic slide, you can go. And yeah, it sounds like the recording's hard to tell, but it sounds like it's a little bit like a less of a slide, like a. And then on the alternating parts of the verse, he's gonna do these kind of bends. So they're like long like bends that almost go out of key. So. So that's it for the verse. It's pretty simple, but it has a really cool sound. That's one of the reasons I picked that song, and I love those like kind of almost atonal bends that he does. And a lot of what Kurt Cobain does is pretty like maximum effect for minimal effort on a lot of the songs, and so I thought this was a really cool example of that. And then for the chorus, it's basically... So... And I think that's like another really cool example. A lot of bands will do it, and Kurt Cobain does it in a lot of songs. Like just playing those single notes instead of like full power chords, and especially when you're drop D tuning, it even has that heavier sound. And when you're playing along with the bass too, it gives it kind of a cool tonal quality. I think that's kind of important to notice. A lot of people, when they're playing their rhythms, they'll play full power chords all the time, and you can get a lot of effect from just playing single notes. So here's the whole song again. So that's it for this week's lesson, and remember, if you like this video, like it on YouTube, subscribe for more videos. I'll be posting videos weekly, and then the tab for this lesson will be up. The link to the tab will be posted in the comments. I hope you like this lesson, and I'll see you guys next time.